Hello. For the past 2 days, my Toshiba laptop wouldn't start and was giving me this message. I came back this morning, put it on, and immediately pressed F12, followed immediately by Control Alt Delete, and it miraculously just started. I'm not sure how and why it worked, but if you have the same problem, just give it a go and see if it works. Let me know how it works. Because it certainly has worked for me. I'm using my Toshiba laptop now, and I've switched it on and off twice, and it's been working fine. Thank you. Bye.